Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming back today. I really do appreciate it. And my name is Chidema, aka Clue, and you are in my Reino. So today we'll be doing a makeup. I'll be showing you a makeup on how to do your makeup wearing lashes, and I'll be showing you that right now. So we're going to start off with our eyebrows. So I'm going to make use of this very tiny Davies eye pencil. I ran out of eye pencil, but soon enough I'm going to get more. Okay, so I'm going to make use of this eye pencil. Making use of my eyebrow brush, I'm going to just brush my eyebrows. So as you can see, I have very long and curly lashes, but in any ways I'm going to show you guys how I do my makeup, or how you can do yours or your client's makeup wearing lashes without any mistakes whatsoever. So we're going to start off with our outline, and I can't stress this enough: do your eyebrow outline the very way the shape of your shape of your eyebrow is. Okay, so the next thing I'm going in with is filling it, and I always advise you guys to make sure that your pencil, your eyebrow pencil, is well sharpened and sharp, so that it can make and fill in your eyebrows properly. So next step I'm going in is concealing my eyebrows, more like a cleaning technique. So I'm going to make use of two shades this time around. I'm going to use a Lego Pro concealer in the shade Warm Honey for my lower outline, and I'm going to take the shade Fawn for my upper outline. So I will always tell you guys this. I don't know if I've said it before, but I'm going to say it again, and I'm going to say it for the first time today, if that is what it is. You should always make sure you make use of the same brush which you use to conceal, to blend the concealer all through your skin, in your skin, whatever way you like to put it, just make sure it is well blended using the same brush. So going on with another brush is going to make it look like nothing is there. All right, I just like to do this using this, but if you actually love to do your eyebrows with a different brush, no problem. Alright, so I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm taking a Lego Pro concealer in the shade Warm Honey, which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I also have other shades that are like 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. I can make use of it, you can make use of that, but the shade that is 5 times lighter than your skin tone, please forget it. Don't use it. So I'm using my beauty blender in a non-damp way, just to clean off the whole and blend it all in. So I'm taking this shade from my Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to take this around my crease area, and I'm going to blend it just like immediately. Normally I will use this shade just to buff out, whatever, the harsh edges, but right now what I'm using it for is just to apply it there, just to have some shade over there, like something like a beginner or a starter for this shade to go in with. So I got this rose gold, kind of bronzy gold shade from my local market here in Nigeria, and I don't know, I've not seen it anywhere online, but if I do see, I'm going to link it up. But I think this refill pan is from Wet and Wild, I think so, but if it's not, my bad. Don't take anything I say too serious. It's not very serious, but anything about the makeup I'm doing is very serious. Okay, get that. All right, so I'm going to take this yellow shade because it has something to do with my clothing. So I'm just going to take that yellow shade just to make it look like I have this whole look all planned, but I don't. But I'm just trying to make it look like it is planned. Okay, so I'm just going to take that yellow shade, and I'm going to press it in the same way I did the rose gold shade around that area. But on a normal day, I just go around with this rose gold shade. It looks so beautiful. All right, so as you can see how shimmery this shade is. As you can see, what I did was pressing it on. I didn't dab, I didn't tap, I didn't drag it. I just pressed it in. Okay, so I'm going to go back to that shade, and I'm going to just take that to make it look like it has a cut crease situation going around there, although there's no cut crease going on there, if you get what I mean. For your makeup, whenever you're wearing lashes, I'll advise you guys to always make use of a liquid eyeliner. It is super easy to use. There's no pressure while using it. But if you should make use of your gel eyeliner or pencil eyeliner, there will be much pressure on it, and you might spoil your lashes the wrong way while doing that. You guys know I am so whatever with a long wing liner, so that's just exactly what I'm doing. So next I'm going to do is to fill it in gently. Then I'm going to go ahead to clean that area that has some blah 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 in it. As you can see, this area has some imperfections in it, so I'm going to take my concealer, the same one I used for my priming. I'm going to use it and apply over there, then take my brush to just blend it all in. So I'm going into the face right now, and I'm going to take NYX primer base. I always make use of this as my what is it called, as moisturizer, but it's a primer. But let's make it I feel as a moisturizer because it has a little bit of no oil in it, and it's very watery to make use of. So I'm going to take my Elego primer Finity. I'm going to take this helps to make your foundation to last all day long. So I'm just going to apply this on my face just the natural way it is. So I'm going to take Fit Me Maybelline New York Luminous and Smooth Foundation. I'm going to take this to that 2 shade for my face. So what I did, I added a little bit of the dark shade just to diffuse the lighter shade and make it wearable for me. So if you have like a shade that is too dark for you, just get a lighter shade, mix it to it and apply it to your face. If you have a lighter shade and you are darker than the shade that you have, just get a darker shade foundation and apply it to it. Okay, so right now I'm going to use a Lego Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Warm Honey, the same Warm Honey. I'm going to use it to highlight some areas like my eyes, my nose, my forehead, my mouth area, and also this area. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you guys how I like to do this. I start from around the end tip of my ears, and I'm just going to have a line around there. Normally I do have like a very small line around there, but because I'm just showing you guys, I'm going to show you that you can actually have very long lines over there. Okay, it makes no difference, but the only thing is that it makes a difference when it comes to your blending and you didn't blend it very properly. So today I'm going to cream contour and taking that very dark shade from Fit Me Maybelline New York Luminous and Smooth foundation. I'm just going to use it for contouring. Okay, I'm going to contour some areas like seen in the video. I don't have time to just keep calling all this one after the other, but looking at it, you will know that this is it. So I like to contour my nose also very closely to the area where I'm going to highlight. Okay, I don't know if I said these things right, but whatever it is. So I wanted to make use of different brushes to contour and highlight, which I actually did. That's why I showed you guys the first one first. So what I like doing is I like to contour from areas that has less products onto the areas that have more products on. Reason is so I do not transfer products to where it's not supposed to be. Okay, so the rest of the makeup, the contouring area was not caught on camera, but I'm going to tell you guys what I did. I actually, after the contour and the blending, I took my setting powder, Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I baked. Then I allowed it for 5 minutes, then brushed it off. Then I take my 35M palette, the darkest brown shade over there, and I used it for my cheekbone. Then I used a lighter brown shade shade there for my nose, which is like the best way I like to contour. But as you can see, I have some harsh line, maybe from the last one I did, I don't know, but I have some dark harsh line from there. So blending in more, it's gonna spoil my makeup, but it's just like the best. So for my lips, I went in with Davis eye pencil in the shade 003. This lips looks good like this, but for today we are going total glam. So I'm going to make use of Huda Beauty liquid matte. This is in the shade red. This is not a very dark or deep red or like a signature red, but it is just red. Okay, so I'm just going to take this red shade and I'm just going to apply it on my lips, just around the area where I didn't apply the eye pencil on. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and take my Good Flower contour palette, and I'm going to apply the highlighter that's found in it. I love the glow from this highlighter, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. La, la, la. So this is what we call a glow, night glow. So for my next look, I'm going to go ahead with my MAC pencil for my inner corner. From my inner corner to my outer corner, I'm just going to apply this around my under eye. Then I went ahead to take that yellow shadow around my, what is it called again, around my inner corner, just to get like a little bit of a situation artistry going on there. So guys, this is just like the final look. I do love this look. I had fun creating it. It was super easy, and I hope you guys can actually recreate and retry it, and I hope you guys find it very easy to do as well. I do love this look. Thank you so much guys for watching my tutorial today. Thank you new and old subscribers for coming back to my channel to watch my video. I will see you guys in my next video. Please do let me know if there's any video at all you would like me to do. You can follow me up on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Thank you so much, and bye.